Ladies and gentlemen, are you supposed to pee after having sex? That is one of the most asked questions, and then we are going to talk about that. And then, most importantly, when you pee after having sex, does it prevent pregnancy? And also, does it prevent sexually transmitted disease? Those are three questions we are going to answer. Number one, is it important to pee after having sex? Number two, does peeing after having sex prevent pregnancy? And also, does pee after having sex prevent sexually transmitted disease? My name is Mr. Madugu. I'm a registered nurse, and every single day, this is what I do. I teach you something that will keep you away from the hospital. Today's own is about peeing after sex. Now, when you have intercourse with your partner, and then after having intercourse with your partner, you go to pee. What is the importance of it? It is very, very important if you pee after having sex. What does it prevent and who benefits from it most? Number one, the people that benefit from it most are the women. So as a woman, after having sex, you can go pee. When you go pee after having sex, what does it do? When you pee, what happens is that this urine washes your urethra, the place that urine comes from. Good. Now, when urine washes your urethra, it means that any bacteria that was transferred from your man to you during the sexual intercourse, or any bacterial movement from one part of your body into your urethra during the sexual intercourse, will be cleared away by your urine, meaning that it's going to reduce your chances of getting urinary tract infection, that is UTI. Are you listening? And the reason why I'm saying that it is most important in women is because women have a very short urethra. The place where the urine comes from and where their bladder is not far. The line that is connecting that part is not far. So because of that, bacteria can easily move from the opening of the urethra into their bladder, and then it can cause urinary tract infection. As a man, are you supposed to pee after having sex? It is not all that important in men, but as a man, if you finish having sex and you want to go pee, it is normal. If you feel to pee, you can go pee. It can help you as well. Now, the next question is, does peeing after having sex prevent pregnancy? And let's talk about that. When you have sexual intercourse with your partner, what happens is that the sperm gets released, and then it gets released into your vagina, and it travels into your uterus, gets into your fallopian tube, and if there's egg over there, it fertilizes the egg, and then implantation happens, and then we have a new person. Now, if you have sex and then you pee, is that pee going to take away the sperm from your body? No. Is that pee going to wash the sperm away from your vagina? No. The reason is because where your vagina is different from where you urinate from. It's just like you have a house. Now, when you enter into the hall of that house, you have two different rooms. There is one room on your right and there is one room on your left. That is how the external part of the female reproductive system looks like. So that fold that you see have two different holes. There is one hole at the top, and then there is the bigger hole at the down. The bigger hole is the vagina, and the small hole is where urine passes to come out. That's what we call your urinary meatus. Say it after me. Urinary meatus. Say it. Say meatus. Very good. That is where urine passes to come out. Now, when you have intercourse with your partner, where your partner inserts their joystick is the vagina, the bigger hole at the down. So when they release their sperm, they are releasing the sperm into the vagina. So the sperm is going to travel from there and then go do what it's supposed to do. So when you go and then you go and pee, the urine is going to come from the top hole rather. So when you pee, the pee is not going to clear anything. So if your aim is to prevent pregnancy, you are not supposed to use pee to prevent pregnancy. What you are supposed to use is to use contraceptive. It can either be a condom contraceptive, that's a barrier one, and then you can go to the hospital, go see your doctor or your midwife for family planning. That one is going to be a plan that you're going to go through. We are going to talk about family planning on this channel. So if you have any question about family planning, let me know in the comment section. And then we are going to deal with them in our subsequent videos to come. That takes us to the last question, which is, does urinating after having sex prevent sexually transmitted diseases or sexually transmitted infection? And my answer to you is no. Urinating after having sex doesn't prevent sexually transmitted infection. And the reason is very simple. Where the causative agent that causes the sexually transmitted infection, being it gonorrhea, syphilis, HIV, whatever it is, where the causative agent passes is not where the urine passes. The causative agent is going to find its way through your vagina and then enter into your bloodstream, and then it's going to cause all the troubles inside your life. So yeah, that is it for you. Let's draw conclusion. Number one, urinating after having sex is very important. The reason is because it prevents urinary tract infection. So yeah, if after having sex you feel like going to pee, you can go pee. If you don't feel like peeing at that moment, you can wait 1 hour, 2 hours later. If you feel like peeing, you can go pee. You are going to get the same result. Now, does urinating after having sex prevent pregnancy? No, absolutely not. Urinating after having sex doesn't prevent pregnancy. And the last one, does urinating after having sex prevent sexually transmitted infection? And the answer is no. Urinating after having sex doesn't prevent sexually transmitted infection. The next time you hear that your friend, that your partner saying that they want to go pee because they want to prevent sexually transmitted infection or they want to prevent pregnancy, make sure you share this video to them. Let them understand that that doesn't prevent those two things. My name is Mr. Madugu. I'm a registered nurse, and every single day, this is what I do. I teach you something that will keep you away from the hospital. If you find this helpful, make sure you subscribe to our channel if you're watching us on YouTube, and then follow us if you're watching us on TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook. I'll see you in the next one. Stay healthy and stay safe. Peace.